Is it time to buy or sell Opendoor Technologies stock? In this video, we will explore Opendoor Technologies in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Opendoor Technologies as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.02. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 286.83% since we first listed Opendoor Technologies as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This translates to an average return of 20.49% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and extensive upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 38% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 55% to positive 86%. Observing the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 32%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 89% and negative 10% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between 26.6 cents and $2.17. Our latest daily update for Opendoor Technologies highlights a volatile day for the company's stock price on Thursday, moving between $2.36 and $2.91. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, the stock price of Opendoor Technologies Inc. increased by 5.68%, rising from $2.29 to $2.42. During this trading session, the stock experienced significant fluctuations, moving 23.09% from a low of $2.36 to a high of $2.91. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has surged 174.13% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined on the last day by 61 million shares, with a total of 454 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.1 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $4.97, while the lowest was 50.8 cents. Currently, the stock price is 51.31% or $2.55 below the 52-week high, and 93.83% or $36.82 below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $39.24. Opendoor Technologies, ticker symbol OPEN, is currently at the forefront of a renewed meme stock frenzy, experiencing a remarkable surge of 25% in just one day. This rally can be attributed to the growing fear of missing out, or FOMO, which is driving retail traders and speculators back into the market. Analysts highlight that Opendoor, along with other high-profile stocks like Kohl's, is leading the charge, spurred by social media hype and investor sentiment rather than underlying fundamentals. The recent uptick in trading volume reflects a significant rise in short interest and a low float, characteristics that make Opendoor particularly attractive to retail traders looking for quick gains. While this enthusiasm may lead to substantial short-term price appreciation, the current movement is characterized by high volatility and risk, as the stock price is disconnected from its business fundamentals. In the short term, this speculative behavior can lead to price swings, but the sustainability of such rallies remains uncertain. If sentiment shifts or the FOMO subsides, prices could recede just as quickly. Long-term investors should exercise caution given the nature of this trading environment, where excitement can often outweigh tangible business performance. Opendoor's current trajectory exemplifies the dual-edged nature of meme stock dynamics in today's market. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Open an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Open an outperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Open a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Open a market outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Open an underperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Opendoor Technologies stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Opendoor Technologies. The Opendoor Technologies Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $2.31 and 97 cents. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, July 21st, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 24.61%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 79 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Opendoor Technologies. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.29 and $2.25. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases. A drop below the support at $2.25 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 545 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which equates to 23.09%. Over the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 44.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Opendoor Technologies, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio signifies that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 1 cent per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Opendoor Technologies. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Opendoor Technologies is at $2.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Opendoor Technologies encounters its first support level at $2.29. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Opendoor Technologies from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Schaub Sidney, who bought and sold 158,810 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 24.684. Overall, insiders purchased 7,445,978 shares and sold 5,176,115 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.30, reflecting a decrease of 5.04%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Opendoor Technologies stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Opendoor Technologies Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of July, we anticipate Opendoor Technologies to open higher by approximately 14 cents and begin trading at $2.56. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.